Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay students, today's lecture is lecture number 3. Workbook page number 13 and 15. Today we will do 2 pages. Okay. Let's read with me. M N O P. We will do these 4 letters. M sound M. M M. N N. O O. P P. Students, again read M mango, N nest, O ostrich, P pineapple. After reading this, we will write. Students, look at the board. How to write? These are 4 lines. In first 3 lines, we will write standing line. With distance of 3 fingers, write again standing line. After making standing line, we will draw a dot on first red line. After making dot, we will make slant line with this standing line. Students, it's your letter M. After writing this, we will write small m. How to write? First of all, make standing line in middle 2 lines. After making this, we will write a head. After making head, we will write standing line. Again, we will make head. Then we will write standing line. Student, make sure M have 2 heads. After writing this, we will read again M mango. After writing this, we will come to next letter N. N sound is N. N nest. After writing this, we will write. How to write? First of all, make standing line in 3 first lines. Again, make standing line with distance of your 3 fingers. After writing this, we will write slant line that joins from upper and go to lower. After writing capital letter, we will write small n. N sound N. Standing line, make head, again standing line. Students, you can see M have 2 heads, but N have 1 head. After writing this N nest, we will write O. O sound is O. O ostrich. How to write? Simply write, make a circle in first 3 lines. After writing this, we will write small O in middle 2 lines. O ostrich. Next letter is P. P for pineapple. Now we will write. First of all, make standing line in first 3 lines. After writing this, we will write semicircle in first 2 lines. We will write small p like this, but in lower 3 lines. Make standing line in 3 lines. Then make C curve. Okay students, it's your working. Students, it's your workbook. First of all, write date and day. Mention your date and day. Then start reading M N. We will write on tracing line N. Student, make sure you will write on lines. Okay. Okay students, do your working complete. Page number 13. Okay students, our next working is page number 15. Qua. R S T T. After reading these letter sounds, we will read again. Q, quack, quill. R, rabbit. S, sheep. T, tank. After reading this, we will write. How to write Q? Make circle in 3 lines. First 3 lines में we will write circle, then we will make slant line. After writing capital Q, we will write small q. How to write? We will make circle in middle 2 lines. After making circle, we will make standing line in 3 lines. Then we will make slant line that touch with line. Okay. After writing Q, we will come to next letter R. R. First of all, make standing line in first 3 lines. After making this, we will write C, in 2 lines. After making C, we will make slant line that touch with C, to lower line. R, capital. After writing this, we will write small r. Standing line, that's all middle 2 lines. Okay. Then make head. R sound is R. After writing this, we will write S. S sound is S shape. First of all, make head. Then make slant line in 3 lines. Then make tail. After writing S, we will write small s in middle 2 lines. That's like capital S. S shape. T, tank. Write T. In first 3 lines, we will make standing line. On upper line, we will write sleeping line. Sleeping line. After writing capital T, we will write small t. T, make standing line, then make tail. After making tail, we will write sleeping line on second line. Students, it's your workbook, page number 15. Mention date and date, then we will write on tracing line Q. After writing R, we will write S. Sleeping line, then curve it, again curve, sleeping line. Write small s in middle 2 lines. After writing S, we will write T. Make standing line, then make sleeping line. Next small c, make standing line, make tail and sleeping line in second line. Okay students, complete your working. Okay students, after completing writing work, we will start reading page number 48. First of all, recognize seasons. Repeat with me: summer, winter, spring, autumn. Okay students, it's spring season. स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होता है स्प्रिंग सीज़न में? अब मौसम बहुत अच्छा होता है, ना गर्मी लगती है ना सर्दी, बहुत प्लेजेंट सा वेदर होता है ना, फूल खिलते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कंप्लीट योर वर्किंग, राइटिंग एंड रीडिंग. डू एंजॉय, स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम. अल्लाह हाफिज़.